Hello friends, learning new phrases, idioms and proverbs is a very good habit. It is good to learn different meaning of words and the wit and humor contained in them. Generally speaking, we have inkling of phrases and idioms and their vague meaning without being very definite about their exact meaning. If you know their correct connotation, then you will be confident of using them in our daily conversation. This way, we shall enhance our communication skill. In this video, we will play Kaun Banega Crorepati. No, it is Kaun Banega Fanne Khan. I will give you some phrases and you should choose the option which you feel is the most appropriate for the meaning of the phrase. Gentlemen, if you like my video, I would request you to give me your likes and also request you to subscribe to my channel. I will also want you to share it among your friends. My first phrase is tongue in cheek. The options in front of you are slip of tongue, to be rude and insincere, to be joking with a serious face, and to be fun-loving and easygoing. The correct meaning will be to be joking with a straight face. Now I come to the second phrase, no string attached. The options are to pay attention to detail, the offer made with unpleasant condition, to be devoid of any frill, to be free to take all type of actions. And the correct answer will be the offer made with no unpleasant condition. The third phrase is it is my way or highway. The options in front of you are take it or leave it, to prefer to take highway, to follow correct course of action, to accept and take something. The correct meaning of this is to take it or leave it. Now I come to the next phrase, which is mover and shaker. The options are a very hard-working person, to turn something upside down, to instigate someone for a fight, and the last option is a prominent person. The correct answer is a prominent person. Next phrase is to be on cloud 9, to feel very light and unburdened, to be in a state of bliss, to be alone and sorrowful, to occupy a vantage position, and the answer is to be in a state of bliss. Like two peas in a pod, the options are results not being commensurate with the efforts put in, to less profit, to be born as twins, to be near identical and very similar. The exact meaning of this phrase is to be identical and very similar. Now I go to next phrase, to play devil's advocate. A person who champions the cause of rich people, to represent a criminal in the court, to put forward misleading arguments, to advocate an opposing view for sake of argument. The correct option is to advocate an opposing view for sake of argument. The next phrase is a chip of the block. The options are someone who represents the parents in character and appearance, a sample taken out of outdated stock, to be insignificant member in a group, and to be a bad-tempered person. The correct option is someone who resembles the parents in character and appearance. Take it with a grain of salt is my next phrase. To believe fully and further add salt to the story. not to believe exactly what one says, to add a little salt to make it tasty, to heap insult on somebody. Exact option is not to believe exactly what one says, to throw caution to wind, to face the adversity boldly, to sail along the wind, to act in a completely reckless manner, to worry about the risk and dangers involved. The correct option is to act in a completely reckless manner. Friends, here I finish with my list of phrases. Let's take a stock of our performance. If you have got 8 of them correct out of 10, I will consider it an excellent rating. If you have liked my video, I would request you to like it and share it among your friends, and also to subscribe my channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Goodbye.